Hey everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. So I was sent this layered stars name necklace by Soufeel to review. Soufeel is a New York-based company that sells really cute, personalized jewelry and accessories. They not only ship domestically, but they ship internationally as well. As you can see, they have some really cute necklaces, and they come in gold, silver, and rose gold. The one that I chose is the Layered Stars name necklace, and it's a two-piece set, so you can wear each one separately. So I think these necklaces are really cute. My favorite part about it is that you can wear them separately, so you get two for the price of one. So if you want to wear just the stars one day, you could do that, or if you just want to wear your nameplate, you can go ahead and do that. I like the fact that you can personalize it. You can write whatever you want on it. They have a whole bunch of different things. They have bracelets, rings, watches, necklaces, and the prices on the site is really good for personalized jewelry. Here's a close-up of the stars, and now here's a close-up of the nameplate. I remember not too long ago, I never actually had a name plate. I just had my initial, my first initial, which is K. I used to walk around with my K and I used to love it. I wore it all the time. So now that I have my actual name, you know I'm going to be wearing it a lot. So I really like it. The quality is great. It's 14 karat gold plated. The chain is actually really nice and thin. I really love thin chains, so it looks really dainty and cute. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's completely up to you. I feel like it goes with almost anything. Soufeel is based in New York, however it ships internationally. The site always has a promotion going, so you can always take advantage of that. Also, I do have a coupon code that you can use if you do decide to purchase from them. It'll be located in the description box below this video. I'll leave all the information in the description box below this video. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and see you in the next video. Bye.